Hey YouTubers, today we're doing an oil change on a 2001 Lite B Plus camper van. It's basically a Chevy 3/4 ton with the 5.7 liter Vortec. So what we'll require for that is an oil filter, possibly an oil filter wrench, depends how tight, oil. Now straight in my manual, no matter what someone says, my manual for this vehicle says 5.1 liters of 5W30. You're going to need some paper towel, 15mm socket or ratchet for your drain plug, funnel to fill it back up with oil, and a drain pan. So let's get started. So I've headed under the vehicle here. From the driver's side, I have this jacked up on blocks. So if you see my jack here, it's a secondary. This is sitting on cement blocks. So right here you can see drain bolt and the oil filter. Really simple vehicle, but let's do it anyway. One of the best things with this vehicle is pretty much right now, while that's draining, we can tackle the oil filter. We will first try it by hand, see where that's at. If not, when they're pretty tight, we'll take a hit at it with the tool. Will definitely make a mess, but mostly straight down. The only downside to the filter being straight like that is it's gonna 360 coat itself in oil. So you're gonna want some paper towel. Finish taking this off and dump it. My pan has a little divot to set the filter on. Here's my knot. So now the oil's still draining out of the pan. Oil's still draining out of the oil filter housing. When those come to a drip, we will put on the new filter. I have went and coated the O-ring on the filter with new oil. It's ready to go on. If you check up here at the oil filter mating surface, I see there's no gasket. So we're just waiting for this oil to stop dripping. Alright, now that they've both come to a drip, you can clean off the surface of the oil filter. And grab our new filter. Like I said, it's already coated in oil. Let's go ahead and spin this on. It's on. There is a magnet on this drain plug, so make sure to clean it off and reinstall. Wipe down. And we're down under the vehicle. Time to move up top. Okay guys, so we're back on top of the RV here. Oil cap's right here next to the coolant bottle. Pop this off. We got funnel. Stick that in there. Let's fill it up. That's empty. Take off your funnel. Put your cap back on. So that's it guys. That's how you change the oil on a 2001 Trail Lite B Plus camper van, otherwise known as a Chevy 3/4 ton that has a 5.7 liter V8 Vortec. So I am gonna take it off the blocks, check the level that it's actually correct. But other than that, this thing's ready to go down the road. So thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video.